How to buy call options on Robinhood. What you have heard from friends and colleagues and what you have read in reviews about the share market of India is right. Well, investing in a stock in India can be either a complicated affair or an easy job. It all depends on how knowledgeable you are about the share market of India. A certain strategy can work and it can be the strategy endorsed by a market expert. It can be a strategy well planned by yourself based on your past performance in the market. Following a strategy that always works in your favor is a far-fetched affair. This is because markets do not remain stable. These are subject to volatility. So you will have to plan out numerous strategies and exploit the right strategy designed exactly for a particular investing situation. It is then that the share market of India will turn to your advantage. It is then that your investing in any stock in India will ensure maximum return. So get set and build strategies to your advantage. The process is simple and your little time and efforts devoted will benefit you for years together. The Indian stock market is one platform where you need no bulk investments and you can see your money grow in no time. If you are a beginner, you can join as a registered member at some online trading platform. There are counted few such platforms where you will find the top brokers. From the very day of your association you can notice the difference. It is not only the guidance of the expert brokers but also stock tips, stock recommendations, market news updates with relevant information and more that you can avail as a registered member at an online trading platform of stock in India. Even experts are availing the various benefits. So why stay back? Go online, search for the right brokerage platform and start investing in share in India that promises returns.